Now in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to change the base of a logarithm, and also in the following tutorials, we will learn how to create the logarithm using a calculator. So let's go ahead and move on to the first objective of this tutorial in this particular section, 3.6. To evaluate a logarithm using your calculator, you sometimes need to change the base of the logarithm. So let's go ahead and learn how we can change the base of a certain logarithm that we have at hand. Here on page 47, we have this solved example with the complete steps and hints that we're going to solve together. As you can see, here we have log x with base a. And so we're going to have to change the whole base into b. We say that let log x with base a be equal to m, which means that it is basically a to the power m equal to x. And now right here is where we're going to have to introduce our new base b. And that is through introducing another logarithm. Introduce log b for both sides of the equal. And now you have your new base b. But of course, we're not done yet. We still have some more work to do. We're going to have to write m as a coefficient for this new logarithm, and the other side of the equal is going to stay log x with base b. Now from here, what you can find out is that m is log x with base a, and we're going to keep it multiplied by log a with base b equal to log x with base b. Now, from here, we're going to have to isolate log a. And so this is going to become a fraction form where it's going to become the denominator on the other side of the equal. So we're going to have log x with base b over log a with base b. Now here, as you can see, we have changed it from log x with base a into log x with base b divided by log a with base b. The base has changed, but what you can notice is that our original base is found in the denominator and x is in the numerator. This is basically how you can change a whole base of a logarithm. But of course, it's going to be in a fraction form. And as you can see here, we have our new base b. And so this is the change of the base rule for logarithms. Now, take note of what we have did, since it's going to be useful in upcoming exercises.